As nights get colder, keeping a stable temperature becomes key for healthy growth, especially during seedling and flowering. That's where the Spider Farmer heater comes in, keeping your grow tent warm and steady with smart GGS control. With its unique duct interface, the Spider Farmer heater connects easily to your grow tent, delivering warm air directly inside for even and stable heating, while preventing hot air from blowing directly on plants and causing leaf damage. Once linked with the GGS system, you can manage everything smartly from your phone. With the app Remote Temperature Control System, the heater offers 4 smart modes. Let's take a closer look at one of its most intelligent features. In auto temperature mode, you can manage all heater functions with one touch. The system automatically maintains the ideal temperature, so there's no need for frequent monitoring. Adjust the day and night temperatures in the planting plan, and the system will automatically switch modes when it detects changes in light conditions. 2 timer modes available. Choose freely based on your needs. Easily adjust between 10 heating levels. Just swipe up or down to fine-tune the temperature. The efficient PTC heating plate ensures precise and consistent temperature control at every stage. With smart temperature control, precise PTC heating, and a tent-friendly design, the Spider Farmer heater keeps your grow space warm, stable, and safe, all from the palm of your hand.